Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle despite your best efforts? Like the dream life you've always imagined is just out of reach? You're not alone, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share 2 principles from one of the most successful leaders in history, John F. Kennedy, that can change your life forever. This isn't just about success. It's about transforming how people see you, how they value you, and how you see yourself. Stick with me till the end, and I promise you'll walk away with something life-changing. Ready? Let's dive in. Point 1. The power of vision, JFK's guiding principle. Imagine for a moment, you're standing at the edge of a vast unknown future. You could go in any direction, but you need to know where you're headed. That's where vision comes in. And it's the first JFK principle that can immediately elevate how people value you. JFK wasn't just President of the United States. He was a man with a vision that inspired millions. He had this belief, this certainty that the impossible was possible. And guess what? People followed him, believed in him, because they saw his vision clearly. They didn't just want a leader. They wanted to believe in something bigger than themselves. What about you? Are you living your life with a clear vision? If you don't have one yet, don't worry. It's never too late to start. Just think about it. When you can see the path ahead, when you have that clear purpose, people will naturally start valuing you more. They'll see you as someone with direction, someone who knows where they're going. Now here's the kicker. Having a vision isn't enough if you can't communicate it. You must speak your vision into existence. The urgency here is clear. Without vision, we wander, but with it, we rise. Are you ready to embrace this principle? Stick around, because we're about to unlock another life-changing lesson. By the way, quick question. Do you ever find yourself waiting for the perfect moment to start something big? If you've ever done that, you're not alone. But I'll tell you right now, that moment is right now. Stay tuned. We've got a lot to unpack in the next few minutes. Point 2. The power of resilience, JFK's secret weapon. Now let's talk about the second JFK principle, resilience. This one is everything. Remember when JFK faced the Cuban Missile Crisis? He wasn't just dealing with a national security threat. He was facing fear on a scale most of us can't even imagine. Yet, what did he do? He stayed calm, stuck to his principles, and came out victorious. Resilience. The truth is, life is going to throw challenges your way. There will be moments that knock you down, make you question everything, and leave you thinking, is this really worth it? But the way you respond in those moments is what truly defines you. Resilience isn't about never falling. It's about getting back up every single time. And it's not just about physical strength, it's about mental fortitude. But here's the tough part. Resilience requires that you embrace discomfort. Yes, you heard that right. Growth happens only when you push through the discomfort zone. The fear you're feeling? That's actually a sign you're about to grow. If you choose to stay comfortable, you'll never discover just how strong you truly are. Think of the most successful people you know. What separates them from the rest isn't just talent. It's their ability to bounce back when things don't go according to plan. Imagine having that kind of resilience, the kind that attracts respect, admiration, and loyalty from others. It's like a superpower that everyone wants to be around. Are you ready to tap into your hidden power? But I'm not done yet, because there's a deeper layer to these principles. What if I told you that combining vision and resilience could unlock the ultimate secret to living a life you never thought possible? I'll explain in a moment, but first, let's reflect on this. I want you to think about this for a second. How much longer are you going to wait to take action? The clock's ticking, and your success story is waiting to be written. Before we wrap up, I want you to do something important. If you're feeling that spark of excitement, if you're ready to take the next step in your journey, don't wait another second. Hit that subscribe button, because I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And remember, this is just the beginning. In my next video, we'll explore what Einstein knew about success that you probably don't, and how his timeless secrets can transform your life. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, keep building that vision, and let your resilience drive you forward. Keep striving, keep growing. You've got this. Click on the video right here to discover the secret Einstein knew about success. It's a game changer.